Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am, page number 64.
Page number 64. Okay. And the dialogue?
Ma'am, the first.
The first one? Okay, fine. Now, discussion about the friends is going on. Jerry कहता है कि if I'm a friend, it doesn't mean that you're my friend. And when we are there at the public places, we pass so many people, but it does not mean that they all are our friends. Okay? इसका ये मतलब नहीं है कि वो हमारे friends हैं. इस पर मिस्टर लैम क्या जवाब देते हैं? Read out. Read the whole page.
Doesn't mean they are enemies either, does it?
No, they are just nothing. People, that's all.
People are never just nothing, never.
There are some people I hate.
That's do you more harm than any bottle of acid. Acid only burns your face.
Only
Like a bomb only blew up my leg.
Like a bomb. What is bomb, Muskan? Read properly. Like a bomb.
Okay, ma'am. Like a bomb only flew up my leg.
Flew nahi,
There's
blew
worse.
up. It is not flew, it is blew up.
Blew up my leg. There's worse things can happen. You can burn yourself away inside.
after I had come home, one person said he would have been better off stopping in the hospital. He would be better off with others like himself. She thinks blind people only ought to be with other blind people and idiot boys with idiot boys.
And people with no legs altogether.
That's right.
What kind of a world would that be?
At least there would be nobody to stare at you because you weren't like them.
So you think you are just the same as all
Sam
the other
nahi,
people
same.
with
What is Sam?
Same.
Say same, beta. You people are of class 12. Read properly. पढ़ो
Okay,
वापस
ma'am.
पढ़ो उसको बेटा.
So you think you are just the same as all the other people with burnt faces just by what you look like. Oh, everything's different. Everything's the same, but everything is different itself.
How do you make all that out?
Watching, listening, thinking.
I would like a place like this, a garden. I would like a house with no curtain.
The gates always open.
But this isn't mine.
And if you want it, what's mine is anybody's.
So I could come here again. Even if you were out, I could come here.
Certainly, you might find others here, of course.
Oh,
Well, that need not stop you. You need not mind.
it would stop them. They would mind when they saw me here. They look at my face and run.
Okay, now see. He says that all the people who pass by, they are not your friends. So Mr. Lamb, he says, doesn't mean they are enemies either, does it? तो इसका ये मतलब भी तो नहीं है कि वो हमारे दुश्मन हैं. No, they are just nothing, you know. He says neither they are friends nor enemies, but they are just people. People are never just nothing, Mr. Lamb explains. Okay, they are just never nothing, you know. They have either they are friends or they are enemies or they are relatives or known or something like that. There are some people I hate, Derry कहता है, that would do you more harm than any bottle of acid. Acid only burns your face. अब वो कहता है So there are some people whom he does not like, he hates. So Mr. Lamb समझाते हैं कि hatred, that is going to burn you internally. That is more harmful than any bottle of acid. Okay, any bottle of acid से ज़्यादा harmful है. Acid, it burnt your face, but hatred, it is going to burn you internally. Only like a bomb only blew up my leg. There's the worst things can happen. You can burn yourself away. तो वो कहता है, of course, like a bomb, it blew up my leg. उससे भी ज़्यादा worst things, very bad things could have happened to me, right? And if you're going to have all these things, hatreds and all the negativity, then you are going to burn yourself inside. Internally, you will be hurt and you will be burnt. After I had come home, then he narrates an incident, Derry, when he returned home from the hospital. After I had come home, one person said he would have been better off stopping in there in the hospital. He would be better off with others like himself. Now he says that when I returned from the hospital, one of the women, she commented that it would have been better for such a boy who had burnt face to be with all the burnt people in the hospital. She thinks blind people only ought to be with other blind people and idiot boys with the idiot boys. And Derry says the woman who commented uh, okay, on me that I should have been better off means it would have been better for me if I had remained in the hospital with other burnt people. So Derry, he says that that woman thinks that all the blind, they should be together, all the idiots, they should be together. कैटेगराइज कर लेते हैं ना कि ब्लाइंड सबके एक साथ, डेफ सबके सब एक साथ, लेम सब एक साथ. And Mr. Lamb आगे बात बढ़ाता है, and people with no legs together. Of course, that is right, Jerry कहता है. What kind of a world would that be? तो Mr. Lamb कहता है, सोचो कैसी दुनिया होगी. All the lame together, all the deaf together, all the blind together. Okay, all the handicapped together. तो डेरी कहता है, एटलीस्ट देयर वुड बी नोबडी टू स्टेयर एट यू बिकॉज यू weren't like them. कम से कम कोई होगा तो नहीं that is going to stare you. Okay, nobody will be there to look at you. Why? Because you weren't like them, because you are not like them, है ना, you are different from them. तो कोई नहीं होगा, everybody is similar, so nobody is going to stare, right? So you think you're just the same as all the other people with burnt faces. So Mr. Lamb कहता है, अच्छा तुम्हें लगता है तुम same हो, है, like all the other faces with burnt faces, just by what you look like. Everything's different, everything's the same, but everything is different. कहते हैं, yes, what you look like, everything is different. मानो तो everything is different, but everything's the same. How do you make all that out? Okay, how do you decide that everything is different, everything is same? है ना, different भी होती है, but at the same time similarities भी होती है. ये सब कैसे decide करते हो? तो Mr. Lamb कहते हैं, by watching, listening and thinking. Okay, I just watch everything, notice it. I just listen to everything and then I think. I would like a place like this, a garden. I would like a house with no curtains. Now, Daddy says that I like this place, I like this house having no curtains. So Mr. Lamb कहता है, the gate is always open. मतलब he welcomes him and he says, oh, any time you can come. The gate is always open. But this isn't mine. कहता, how can I come every time? This is not mine. The place does not belong to me. The house does not belong to me. Daddy कहता है, everything yours if you want it. What mine is anybody. Now Mr. Lamb, a very kind-hearted man. Okay, बड़े बहुत generosity होती है उनके अंदर. So he says everything is yours if you want it. Okay? Everything, सब कुछ तुम्हारा है if you really want it. What mine is belongs to everybody. Whatever belongs to me, it belongs to everyone. So I could come here again even if you were out. I could come here. Of course, very कहता है. Then though I can come here again in case even if you are not here in the house, in the garden. Okay, if you have been gone out, still I can be here. यदि आप नहीं भी होंगे तो भी मैं आ सकता हूँ. तो Mr. Lamb कहता है, certainly, surely, है ना, but you might find others here, of course. And when you will come here, maybe you are going to see other people here, okay, other children, people, entering the garden, enjoying the sunlight, children playing in the garden. Oh, ना थोड़ा disheartened हो जाता है वो, जैसे ही सुनता है ना कि और लोग भी तुम्हें मिलेंगे. Well, that needn't stop you, you needn't mind. तो कहते हैं that need not stop you, है ना, वो सारी चीजें तुम्हें नहीं रोकेंगी. If other people are there, don't mind, don't worry about them. Okay. And you should not stop. Yes, come, enter the garden, stay here, just see, watch, listen, and think. It would stop them. कहता है suppose मैं stop नहीं हूँ, but on seeing me they would be stopped. They would mind me. When they saw me here, they look at my face, and in case if I'll not stop, I'll not mind, they would stop, they would mind it. And when they see me here, when they're going to see daddy there with the burnt face, they would run up. Understood, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Oh,
ma'am.
okay. Next one. Read the whole page, hurry up.
They, they might not. You would have to take the risk. So would they.
No, you would. You might have me and lose all your other friends because nobody wants to stay near me if they can help it.
I have not moved.
No.
When I go down the street, the kids shout Lammy Lamb, but they still come into the garden, into my house. It's a game. They are not afraid me. Why should they be? Because I'm not afraid of them. That's why not.
Did you get your leg blown off in the war?
Certainly.
How will you climb on a ladder and get the crab apples down then?
Oh, there's a lot of things I have learned to do, and plenty of time for it. Years I take it steady.
If you fell and broke your neck, you could lie on the grass and die. If you were on your own,
I could.
you said I could help you.
If you want to.
But my mother will want to know where I am. It's 3 miles home, across the fields. I am 14, but they still want to know where I am.
People worry.
People first.
Go back and tell them.
It's 3 miles.
It's a fine evening. You have got legs.
Once I got home, they would never let me come back.
Once you got home, you had never let yourself come back.
You don't know what I could do.
No, only you know that.
If I choose.
If you choose, I don't know everything. Boy, I can't tell you what to do.
Okay, now see beta what happens. Now he says, Mr. Lamb says, okay, you're most welcome here, even if he's not there in the garden. So then also he's welcome. And then he says that maybe when you come, you can find other people here also now. And just when you see other people here in the garden or in my house, do not mind, don't stop. Daddy, he says, I'll not mind, I'll not stop, but on seeing me, they would mind it and they would stop. Okay, on seeing my face, they would run away. They might not. Okay, both the possibilities are there. है ना, संभावना है भी कि तुम्हें देखकर भाग जाए, तुम्हें देखकर नहीं भी भागे. You would have to take the risk. So would they? तुम्हें ये risk लेनी है, and even they have to take the risk. कि they shouldn't be afraid of you. They should not run you on seeing if they want to play in my garden. समझ में आया? तो उन्हें भी risk लेनी है ये तो. No, you might have me and lose all your other friends because nobody wants to stay near me if they can help it. Now daddy says, now you have to take this risk, you might have me, you want me to have me in the garden, means if Mr. Lamb wants that daddy should be there in the garden, then Mr. Lamb should not allow any other to enter his garden. I have not moved, no. When I go down the streets, the kids shout, Lamy Lamb. Now, Mr. Lamb says, yes, when I'm there in the street, the kids, they keep on teasing me and they keep on telling me, Lamy Lamb. But they still come into the garden, into my house. It's a game. Though they tease me, but I don't mind. And that is why they are not scared of me. They are not afraid of me. And besides teasing, okay, they never feel anything bad or they never feel guilty or something like that. डरना तो बहुत दूर की बात है. But after teasing also, they come to my garden, they come to my house. It's all a game. They are not afraid of me, and why should they be afraid, he says. Why? बच्चे या दूसरे क्यों डरेंगे मेरे से? Because I'm not afraid of them. Okay. Then Derry कहता है कि did you get your leg blown off in the wall? है ना, श्योर करना चाहता है. तो Lamb कहता है yes, surely. Then how will you climb on a ladder? Now he says, then if your leg, it got blown off in the wall, then how you are going to climb up the ladder and pluck the crab apples? So Mr. Lamb कहते हैं, there are lots of things I've learned to do. Okay, in all these years I have learned almost everything to do, and I take it very steady. I take everything very smoothly. Have you seen so many handicapped people, beta? है ना कोई शरीर में handicapness होती है, still they do all the work. Blind people, still they study, they do all the work. Deaf people, dumb people, those who do not have hands, you might have seen, okay? ऐसे extraordinary इंसान जिनके हाथ नहीं होते हैं, they do everything with their legs, right?
Yes, ma'am.
They even cook, they even write, they even paint, right? और जिनके पैर
Yes,
नहीं
ma'am.
होते, क्या वो चलते नहीं है? Of course they walk. सो क्या होता है, इंसान सब कुछ सीख जाता है ना. तो इसी तरह मिस्टर लैम कहते हैं, इतने सालों में आई हैव लर्नड एवरीथिंग टू डू. ये सब मैं सीख गया हूँ. If you fell and broke your neck, you could lie on the grass and die if you were on your own. Okay. अब Derry कहते हैं, if you are all alone, okay, plucking the crab apples, an accident might happen with you. What accident? You might fell off from the ladder and you might fall on the ground and you might die. हो सकता है ladder से गिर जाओ और ground में गिर जाओ और death हो जाए आपकी. Of course I could. Of course there is a possibility. You said I could help you. वो कहता है, Derry कहता है, of course you offered me that I could help you in plucking the apples if you want to. If you're interested, Mr. Lamb कहते हैं, sure. But my mother will want to know where I am. It's 3 miles home across the fields. Now, this child, he is somewhat very much worried about his mother, and he says that he wants to say that it has been long time since he had been out, and he says that his mother, she would be worried about his son, and now the house is quite far away, 3 miles, from this Mr. Lamb's garden across the fields, and he says I'm 14, but they still want me to know where I am. अब Derry कहता है, I'm 14 years old, but still my parents, they want me to know where I have been or where I am at the present moment. है ना, मैं कहाँ हूँ या कहाँ जाता हूँ. Everything they want to know. Now he thinks that 14 years, means a big age to be independent. People worry people first, okay? कहते हैं मिस्टर लैम कहते हैं, हाँ लोग चिंता करते हैं, बोलते नहीं फालतू का दिखावा करते हैं. Go back and tell them it's 3 miles. तो मिस्टर लैम कहते हैं, go and inform your family. तो कहते हैं 3 miles from here. It's a fine evening, you have got legs. कहते हैं such a good evening it is, है ना, good time of the day. You have got legs, you can walk 3 miles. Once I got home, they would never let me come back. Now this child, he's somewhat afraid. Why? Because he says that suppose if I go back home, my parents would never allow me to come back. So many times, children, even they have this fear while playing. If you ask them to go inside or go to the parents or to take some more to take permission for some more time, तो उनका एक ही बहाना होता है, नहीं अंदर नहीं जाएंगे, फिर मम्मी पापा आने नहीं देंगे, है ना. कि पेरेंट्स कहते हैं चलो बहुत खेल लिए, now it's late evening, get back to the studies or take rest or whatever it is. So similarly, even Derry, he was very much afraid. कहता है once I just go home, my parents would never allow me to come back. Once you got home, you would never let yourself come back. Now Mr. Lamb उसको challenge करते, कहते your parents, you know, parents की बात नहीं होगी. Okay, once you return to your house, once daddy returns, you know, he himself would not be interested in returning back, है ना, वो खुद भी interested नहीं होगा लौटने में. Okay, you don't know what I could do. Now he is being challenged. Okay, और वो कहता है you do not know, Mr. Lamb, what I could do. No, only you know that, Mr. Lamb. Of course, तुम्हें ही मालूम है ना what you can do. If I choose means if I decide, यदि मैं decide कर लूँ. If you choose, I don't know everything, boy. I can't tell you what to do. If you choose, if you decide, if you choose, then what can I tell you? I cannot tell you anything. You know, I can't tell you what is to be done. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Next page. I'll just read fast somewhat. Okay. Just explain it why only few minutes are there. They tell me, do you have to agree? I don't know what I want. I want something no one else has got or ever will have. Something just mine like this garden. I don't know what it is. Now Mr. Lamb जो है कहते हैं तुम agree करते हो, कहता है मुझे नहीं मालूम what I want, but I want something that belongs to me only. Daddy कहता है that should be mine. Okay. Nobody should have hold on those things, है ना, किसी और का hold नहीं होना चाहिए. Like this garden, फिर वो अपनी wish है ना express करता है, like this garden, you know, I want something just like something mine, you know, that should be only mine, like this garden. I don't know what it is. And then he says, but I don't know what it is and I'm not able to find out. Mr. Lamb कहते find out. But he says how to find out what it is and all these things. Mr. Lamb कहते हैं waiting, watching, listening, sitting here or going there, I will have to see to the thing. Wait here, watch everything, listen, sit here, do the thinking. You do it, I'll go because I have to see the bees. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, enough for today.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
fine,
ma'am.
beta. Thank you. Take care.
Thank you, ma'am.
God bless you.